Hey guys, we are back. A few days ago, a couple of days ago, I think 3 days ago, we had some snow. You can see in the back there in the forest, there's still some snow on the ground. Over the past couple of days, it's been melting, and I've finally been able to. I was waiting for the snow to melt in the beds to be able to come out and take a look at the seedlings that I had put in. I don't know, maybe two days before the snow. Now it snowed, but it wasn't. It didn't go below zero, so it wasn't cold, but you know, snow is snow. Now, like, I just took the frost blanket off of the lettuce. That was the only bed that I was a little. I just wanted to be careful, and there was a ton of melted snow. I just made a lake here. Take a look on the side of the bed. I just lifted it up. It didn't go all the way through, so there was a bit of a puddle in the on top of this blanket. Anyway, it's all good. So I wanted to show you how everybody fared. So this is, let me try to remember. This is the butter crunch lettuce, and they actually look pretty good. They're fine. They're okay. These were quite small, but I wanted to put them in anyway, and they look okay. They look all right. This was the corn salad, and that's a cold hardy, so not too worried about them either. They're all right. This was the Grand Rapids, and they're crisp, so they're good. They're not like, you know when there's been some damage. Oh, maybe this one's a little. Oh, hold on, let me center the camera. This one might have a little bit of damage, but everything else looks good. The romaine, there was only 4. It's these little guys right here, but again, they look all right. And the arugula, they look a little flattened because the blanket was weighed down with the water, with the melted ice, the melted snow. But they're crisp. They're not soggy. So these ones are okay. Let's go take a look at the cabbage. What else was there? Obviously the garlic. They're in the ground all winter. They have no issues with snow. Whew. In this bed we had arugula, same as the other guys. They're still perky. So they're fine. They were as is, like this, under the snow until the snow melted, and there's still some snow on either side of the bed here, but they're okay. And then we had this bed, which was cabbage, bok choy, and spinach. And I just came by and lifted some of the. there was like little pockets of snow here. There's still some here. I was just going by and flinging it off, just to help it along. Here, there's some here too. Just to move along. It's time to go. Spring is here, time to go. But you can see inside. Let me see if I can go from the edge here, and we can take a peek. Inside. Hold on. Let me see. All right. So these are the bok choys. Everybody's good. Down there is the cabbage. They're good too. Everybody's good. I mean, these are all cold hardy. They're cold hardy veg. They know what cold is. They know what snow is. Let me see on this side. Spinach should be okay too. Let me pop this in here. Yeah, look, everybody's fine. Everybody's okay. Excellent. Okay, so let me just put this back down. Make sure everything's good. What else was there? So now the only thing, right now, today is 5 degrees Celsius. That's about 42 Fahrenheit roughly. And over the next couple of days it's going to go up to 7. So that should warm up enough. I'm expecting the peas to come up like any day, barring this little snow blip. The peas should come up any day. I'm waiting for them, and I'm waiting for the radishes, which I'm actually surprised that they're not up yet, although this little blip with the snow probably didn't help any. Anyway, I'll just let it do its thing. And the green onions, they actually take a little while to come up, so I'm not surprised that they're taking a little bit longer, and that's okay. What else is going on? We have strawberries, which I have to come and clean up a little bit because they're looking a little. I didn't cut off any of the older stuff at the end, like the dead leaves and stuff at the end of the fall, but I should do that. Nice to see there's some green in there. So I'm going to clean that up. Obviously not today, because it's still in a little bit melty stage. And then blackberries, it's gonna take them a while to wake up. Blueberries are looking good. There's a lot of buds. Check this out. a lot of buds on there. Hold on, where's my buds? That's exciting. And this guy too, this guy's loaded. That's gonna be awesome. I can't wait. And then raspberries. Yeah, it's still early. Not much going on there. This was left over from last year. God, still a little chilly. Yeah, that's the little one. This is like a smaller variety, and this one is a larger one. So that's it. Everybody survived the snow. Now it's just waiting. It's waiting for things to come up. The summer seeds inside, everything is up. I'll probably do another video for that to go through all the things that I'm growing for the summer. And then we'll only be transplanting those in usually the May long weekend, weather permitting. And then the other thing we did is we assembled 2 more of these beds. This is the inside, and then we're gonna scooch the gravel up against the sides all along the inside and fill the bottom half with wood, branches, whatnot. And we just go around the property and just grab anything that's fallen, anything that's on the ground. And we have a pile of wood. This is just dead wood from when they cleared, and just stuff that's been, whoop, my blanket's about to fly away. I better go grab it. Just around the property. So we did both of them. We did this bed and that one. And these 2 are going to be potatoes and onions. And I am expecting those to arrive any day. And I want to make sure that these beds are ready. And then the other 2 are going on the far side where that blanket was. Same direction. Like these 2 are lengthwise, whereas all of these are perpendicular. And then the other 2 will come on this side. But that'll be in May. It's good to spread it out. All right, just wanted to give an update, show you that everybody survived the snow, which is typical for cold weather crops. They know what cold is, they know what snow is, they can handle it. But it's all good. Onward, people.